So guys, we're playing Transformers Revenge of the Fallen the game, and the character we're playing as is Ratchet. Let's do this. It's just like when I was being on the Transformers ride. If you watch my main channel, try press in. Yeah, it's just like
our enemy's secret weapon is not the only threat to mankind. The largest Decepticon ever seen has attacked Cairo, but the city will not go undefended. We will confront this devastator and destroy him.
Let's do this. He might be a bit big. Maybe we're going to do it like the right and back to
Colonel Linux is inbound. Air support and recon. ETA 60 seconds. Stay sharp. I've never seen an alien this big. You got a whole lot of nasty heading your way. That's one big fight.
Stay down! It's like a black hole sucking everything in.
oh, definitely. Guys, this could kill me.
Enemy engaged. Don't get too close. You've been hurt already.
Bullseye! Both arms clear. Looking good, Autobot. All weapon systems eliminated. Now for the headshot. There's a control node on his forehead. That's a hit. But it's an armored mode. You have to wear it down. Bullseye! Don't let up! Looks like he's heading for the pyramid. Take him down.
Come on, Devastator, just die already.
Devastator is losing power. Keep at him. Let's drop this thing.
You got it. It's going down. That's a confirmed kill, Autobot.
Now he's dead. Let's do Iron Hand. Yes. I've got achievement. Do the math. Love it. And yes guys, I hope you give this video a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.